Hey there, back with some more copying. Today I'm working on a project recipe. It's the Scrap Happy one. Super excited. You can get it from your advisor or me. So let me know if you need it. We're using Scrap Happy, which price goes up on that tomorrow, February 10th. Right now you get 10% off until tomorrow at 11 a.m. Mountain Time. Tomorrow is also Preview Friday, so we will see some new fun stuff. And the secret box is getting opened tomorrow, February 10th, so the price of it also goes up tomorrow. Right now it's $54.50. I think it's going up to $64.50. So if you want to get it after you see it, the price will be more. Let's make this page. I have all my embellishments and mats and stickers and paper all in one little envelope, but today we're going to use 2 to build on. So I just got some white out of the page top loading pages, and I got some blue cardstock. I have the purple with all the tools on the front, other side. I have the green with the shutter logo on the other side. So this one is a little tricky, it looks like, and they use designer paper for the base. I am not going to do that. So we'll cut first 3 by 12. We need two 3 by 12s, and remember to check directionally if you care. Which these are gonna go this way, so I think we wanna cut this. These are gonna go horizontally on your page. 2 3 by 12s. And then we need a 5 by 6.5. And out of this or this, whichever you prefer, we're gonna cut some circles. So just set that aside. And let's cut the green one. We're gonna cut it at 3 by 12 also. It is not directional, so I don't need to worry about that. And then we need a 5 by 6.5 again. Pretty much we're cutting them almost the same. And then we need a 3 by 4 out of this. And we're gonna cut some more circles out of some scraps. And then on our cardstock, we need 1.5 by 12. Remember, when you're cutting less than 1.5 inches to measure on this side, so you have more paper to hold on to over here. So we need 2 1.5 inches. Then we need 2 1/2 inch. Half by 12. Oops, didn't cut it all the way. And then we need 4 4 by 6s. So that should be 4, yep, and we'll just stack them and cut them at once. Perfect. Okay, all the cutting with your trimmer is done, I believe. We do need the scissors. So one we're gonna punch on the green at 7 3/4. Line it up with the left black mark, punch, go too far to where you see that you haven't punched, and then go back and match the shape up. That way you know you're not double punching something. So cute. This one will flip over and mark it 7 3/4. I don't know who did the math on this, but thank you. Go a little too far and come back. Cover the blue shape up in the tray. Okay. I could probably do a better job on some of this. And then we have to do these guys. Same way, except for this is cardstock, so it's not gonna matter. We don't have to flip it. 7 3/4. This one might be a little tougher because it's not as wide. We'll just go with it. Definitely not perfect. But that one was a little more difficult. One more time. Still didn't get it very good. Inside of the small circle with the red blade, and we need one green one and one purple one. And I guess you just get to pick which scrap you want to use. But that one's not going to work. This one will, I think. So just make sure your two little prongs are in the track. And I like to make sure my shape is cut before I move it. Just needs a little help there. A little trimming. Okay. And then we need two of each with the blue blade. We are definitely not going to get 2 out of this. Oh. And it's tearing it because it's too small. Okay, so 2 of these. There we go. And 2 of these. Little tiny guys. All right, now we're done with those. So the first thing we need to do is put the green down. And it goes down like this. And we'll use a little repo on the scissors. Oh, we need some more tape. So cute. I do not have pictures today. Did not plan that far ahead. I am gonna erase this little pencil mark. And then the blue goes underneath that. Or on top of that, sorry. Just like so. Rub off any residual repo. And then finally these guys. Oh, and they go underneath. Shoot, they go on first. Sorry, everybody. Let's try this again. They go underneath here, underneath the green. There we go. Perfect. So cute. Okay, our little blue strips go on the top. And then we have our photo mats. Just like that. And we'll get some embellishments out. We have some stickers. We have more stickers. Oh, we have our little enamel thing, which I love. Let's see what they did. Okay, let's see. I love my scrapbooking sisters. That covers that entire circle up. So there you go. I'm gonna use these enamel dots, I think, because I like them a lot. On these. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see. Here's a big shutter. Perfect. We need something on here. There's this, which I like. I also really like this, community. Advisor friends. This down here. Sisterhood. And this little Scrappy bear. Let's see what it looks like. So this will definitely be a scrapbooking page. I'll put a little foam square on here, on Scrappy Bear. He's so cute. So cute. Cute little guy. And we'll put some more on here. Don't need as many on those since they're not stickers. Advisor friends. I just folded that guy right up on itself. And I love this sisterhood. So now I just need to find some pictures from my team retreat. That'll go perfect. Speaking of team, if you want to join my team and have a little side hustle or a jobby, I am looking for people who want to make some extra money and go on a trip to Puerto Vallarta. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to get your Scrap Happy in your secret box before the price goes up. If you are not already loved by an advisor, of course, please pick me. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, hit that little bell so you know when I have a new video, and head over to my Facebook page to see my schedule of events, including National Scrapbook Day, which I just added. Some of them have Zoom options. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.